Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing the stratigraphy questions. I know I am a bit late in starting the another series. So 12 questions will cover as we already know of each subject and stratigraphy के भी 12 ही questions हैं. 24 की अभी तक official answer की release नहीं हुई है. So the answers which I am giving might subject to be wrong. तो आप ये मत समझिएगा कि मैं गलत वो बता रही हूँ या ये नहीं है वो नहीं है. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दे आर माई आंसर बट यूपीएससी के कभी वेरिएशंस आ जाते हैं. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू करेक्ट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ एनीथिंग सीम्स रॉन्ग. Rest will learn with each other. So now the first question is, just a minute, will it work? Yes. So हमें मैच करनी है लिस्ट वन लिस्ट टू के साथ. क्वाइट सिंपल क्वेश्चन कि मायोसिन क्रिटेशियस पैलेसिक मेगालियन एरा जो है इनमें से किसके साथ मिलती है. सो मेगालियन एज S3 तो आप शॉर्टलिस्ट कर सकते हो क्योंकि यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट कि मेगालियन एज इज द रीसेंट एज दैट इज 4300 ईयर्स से ये चल रही है कुछ इस ईयर से ही. तो मेगालियन एज हो गया तो शॉर्टलिस्ट दो ऑप्शन तो हो ही गए. नाउ वी हैव पैलियोजोइक. पैलियोजोइक इज एन एरा because Devonian, Silurian, all are covered in Paleozoic. So this is shortlisted. So this is the answer. Now we'll discuss more for it. कि मेगालियन एज मैंने बताया था रीसेंट होलोसिन एपोक की मोस्ट रीसेंट एज है. एपोक के बाद एज आता है. सो होलोसिन इज द एपोक एंड मेगालियन इज एन एज. 4200 ईयर्स अगो से ये बिगेन शुरू हुई थी. इंडियन का एक मेघालय स्टेट है वहां से एक सिग्निफिकेंट क्लाइमेटिक इवेंट इधर पाया गया था तो उसी के बेसिस पे इसको नाम किया गया है. पैलेजोइक एरा जो है वो मेजर डिवीजन है जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल की जो कि 541 टू 252 मिलियन ईयर्स तक है एंड इट इंक्लूड्स 6 पीरियड्स कैम्ब्रियन ऑर्डोविशियन सिल्यूरियन एटसेट्रा. बहुत अच्छी मरीन लाइफ डेवलप हुई थी और फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस था लैंड प्लांट्स का और एनिमल्स का पैलेजोइक एरा में. नाउ वी हैव क्रिटेशियस. क्रिटेशियस एक जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड है जो कि 145 से 66 मिलियन तक लास्ट किया था एंड इट इज द लास्ट पीरियड ऑफ मेसोजोइक एरा famous for the dominance of dinosaur and ending with their mass extinction. Now we have Miocene and epoch of the Neogene period which lasted around 23 to 5.3 million years ago and it is known for the significant changes in climate and evolution of the many mammal species. Now we have patterns. So eons may we have largest time division comprising multiple eras. Phanerozoic eras is subdivision of eons. Let me tell you the mnemonic that help me, but and it will also help you. So everyone से आप प्लीज इयन्स जो है वो कर लीजिए. इरेडिकेटेड. इरेडिकेटेड से एरा आ जाएगा. पीरियड आपका आ जाएगा पोलियो से. तो पीरियड से आ जाएगा पोलियो. नाउ वी हैव एपोक. एपोक से आपका होगा दिस इजीली. आफ्टर से आपका होगा एज और सब स्टेज पे होगा आपका शॉर्ट्स. So everyone eradicated polio easily after shots. We have different type of orders. We have lithostratigraphic order, biostratigraphic, chronological, geochronological. So this is the geochronological order in which we are studying this. Geochronological. Okay. Now, sorry. Yes. Now, second question. So, granitic bodies. Granitic bodies means igneous intrusions. Igneous intrusions means there is some magma activity quite involved in it. We have three granitic bodies: Erinpura, Closepit, and Singbum. According to the age, we have to put them from older to younger. So, अगर आपको ये याद है तो आपको याद है. अगर आपको याद नहीं है तब आप इसके लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकते. This type of questions are like this only. Now, we have what? Yeah. Hmm. Singbum is the oldest one. Closepit granite is the middle, and Erinpura is the youngest. So Singhbum is the oldest. Singhbum is the third. Erinpura is the youngest. So first option will be the answer. Now reading about them more. Singhbum oldest क्यों है? ये आर्कियन के एज में मिला था प्रेटोरिसिक इवंस के टाइम में. सिंघभूम कहाँ है? झारखंड में है सिंघभूम. ठीक है. जियोलॉजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि बहुत डिफॉर्म्ड है. बहुत पुराना है तो बहुत डिफॉर्म होगा और मेटामॉर्फोस्ड नेचर है उसका. कॉम्पोजिशन जो है कंसिस्ट ऑफ एंशियंट ग्रेनाइटोइड gneiss and related rocks, and it played a crucial role in understanding the Earth's crust formation. Now we have closepit granite. Closepit granite जो है, it dates back to late Archean period and it is present in the Dharwar Plateau And the Closper granite includes the PGT, Peninsular Gneiss Complex, and supracrustal rocks. Now we have different textures in it. We have coarse grain, hyperdiomorphic, granular, porphyritic texture composed of various phases, includes pyroxene bearing dark gray granite, porphyritic granite, granular gray granite, and all. So Erinpura is the youngest one. It is present in Danta state of North Gujarat, India. It is a post-Delhi orogenic granite. Okay, the granite varies from colors, from dark gray to grayish white, pinkish gray. Colors are like this only. So just remember, Singhum is in Jharkhand. It's the oldest one. Very rugged, very metamorphosed, highly deformed. Closepit is present in Dharwar, Creton. Dharwar is somewhere south of the India, and we have it is present in the Peninsular Gneissic complex. Now we have Erinpura. It's the youngest one. It is a post-Delhi orogenic granite, and it's present in the Danta state of North Gujarat, India. So this would be the answer. Now, law of superposition is applicable to sequence rock strata where the contacts are conformable. That is quite simple question. If it is unconformable, faulted, and thrusted, so no proper sequence can be detected. Now, I can explain you. Suppose fundamental principle in geology states that in any undisturbed sequence of rocks deposited layer, the youngest layer is on the top and the oldest is the bottom, as at the bottom. Now, rock layers have been deposited without any interruption, so they maintain their original sequence and position. So, in such case, the law of superposition holds true and it remains undisturbed in the original order. So, when contacts are unconformable, faulted, and thrusted, the rocks have been disturbed. Now we have the next question. So, which of the following lithostratigraphic units is known for manganese ores? If you have read all of them, then only you will be able to answer. I have read it, so Saucer group is the one. Now, Saucer group is known for manganese. It contains manganese bearing horizons that is formed in a reducing environment conditions only. Talking about the other, Singhum granite, Dongagad, and Betul, they all have their own significant properties. I'll be covering it in the next video if possible because questions align with one another. Now we have the shield area of various cretons evolved in four stages. One of these stages have been termed as Evalcogen refers to. This question is somewhat a bit unknown to me, but I think the third stage is the answer as far as I have read about it. So, see, evolution of shield cretons, evolution shield areas of various cretons, the term alcogens, more often mistakenly written as evalcogens, is the third stage. Alcogens are the fair rift valley and they are the aborted arm of the, there is a triple junction, so they have not developed fully. So they are the failed arm. So they form in third stage of Creton evolution in the after the initial formation and stabilization stage. So these structures often serves as the zone of weakness and can become sites of significant sediment accumulation and later tectonic activity. Now we have the another question on the sequence. I'll be definitely telling you ki bhai, what you need to do or not. So sequence. So which one of the following represents the correct order or ascending order of the stratigraphic pre-Cambrian rocks of Bastar Craton? Bastar Cratons से सवाल आया है. So the stratigraphic order for the pre-Cambrian rocks of the Bastar Craton is Amagaon, Saucer, Nandagaon, Dongagarh. If you know the age and sequence, only you can tell that. So Amagaon, oldest क्यों है? Oldest rock formation in the sequence, it composed of high-grade metamorphic rock like gneiss and schist. Now, saucer group is the next one, and it's composed of medium grade metamorphic rock with significant development of manganese ores, where that it signifies the reducing environment condition. Reducing environment condition. Now we have Nandagaon group. It's the third in the sequence after that, and it is composed of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Now, Dongagarh granite is the youngest one, and it's an igneous intrusive rock, primarily composed of granite. So, just analyze this. What you have analyzed, ki whenever anything is at the depth that is at older, it will be highly grade metamorphic rock. It composed of granites and schist. Now, as we move upward, so we have significant ore deposits are there, and the grade somewhat becomes medium. From high, the grade becomes medium. Now, in the Nandagaon third sequence group, some sedimentary rocks are included in it. When sedimentary rock is there, it means that you are going to the younger one. Now, Dongagarh granite is the youngest. Why? Because it's an igneous intrusion. Whenever there is a dike or sill, they are the youngest body of that event or the stratigraphic event. So, yes. So, answer would be Amagaon, Saucer, Nandagaon, and Dongagarh granite. Just remember that whenever the granite igneous intrusion is written, they are the youngest part of the group. Amagaon cancel, Amagaon cancel, Nandagaon cancel. Granite जहाँ गए वो youngest, तो ये उसका आंसर. इस तरीके से आप उसमें थोड़ा सा अपना presence of mind भी use कर सकते हैं. Now we have the another question. BGC, Banded Gneiss Complex. If you have read all of them, then you will be able to know Aravalli group is the one. Uh, See, these kind of subjects need the thorough study of each and every group and each and every craton, then only you will be able to answer them. Yes. So, Aravalli group explanation. Banded Gneiss complex, it's a major geological formation and it's present at the basement of the Aravalli group that is deposited. It's the oldest mountain ranges in the world. Sits atop this complex, makes it a foundational layer. Now we have the Jamarkota formation, and it's the Aravali in the Aravali succession only. It's present in Rajasthan, and it's a phosphorite deposit. Jamarkota is in Rajasthan, and it's a phosphorite deposit. So it's present in Rajasthan, Aravali sequence. Highly rich phosphorite deposits are there, and economically significant. They are used in production of phosphates, fertilizers, and it's very essential for the agriculture. Now we have okay. Varanian glaciation occurred during, so it occurred during the Neo-Proterozoic, I guess. Yeah. So it is also known as the Marionian glaciation. There is another name of Varanian के साथ आपका दूसरा नाम भी है Meronian. Neoplatonist era में हुआ था, and it was on the major glaciation event that left extensive evidence of ice ages in the geological record. So remember, whenever the Varanian is mentioned, ice age is there from the Neoproterozoic era. That is a Neoproterozoic era. That is a part of the Proterozoic era only, and it has a significant evidence of ice ages and has in a geological record, and it is another name of Meronian glaciation. Now we have another question. The placer diamond bearing conglomerate horizon of Vindhyan subgroup is present within Rewa, Rohtas, Kaimur, Khinjua. So the answer is Kaimur group. Kaimur group Vindhyan subgroup के अंदर एक group है that is known for its placer diamond bearing conglomerate horizon, and it's the real of sedimentary rock that contains the diamonds in it. It is deposited by the ancient river system and it's concentrated in conglomerate beds. So Kaimur group. Now, which one of the following is the youngest marine formation of Himalayas? Dakshai, Kasoli, Pinjore, Subatu. Which one is the youngest marine formation in Himalayas? Always remember there is a freshwater, there is a marine deposition, different type of deposition, so don't get confused. भाग करके पिंजौर या सुबात मतलब पिंजौर जाके टिक मत कर दो, पहले पढ़ो क्या पूछ रहा है. So, yeah, sorry. कसौली फॉर्मेशन यंगेस्ट मरीन फॉर्मेशन होता है हिमालयाज में. क्यों? दक्षाय और सुबातु ओल्डर है, मरीन है, लेकिन पिंजौर जो है वो मरीन नहीं है, वो मरीन फॉर्मेशन है ही नहीं. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द शिवालिक ग्रुप दैट इज नॉन फॉर इट्स टेरेस्ट्रियल डिपॉजिट. सो दक्षाई एंड सुबातु आर ओल्डर, कसौली इज द यंगेस्ट वन. Now we have another question. Panjal volcanics of Lidar Valley of Kashmir belongs to. So पंजाल वोल्केनिक्स हैं लिडार वैली के कश्मीर के, वो किससे बिलोंग होते हैं? पर्मियन, ऑर्डोविसन, क्रिटेशियस, कार्बोनिफेरस. So it belongs to Permian only. Permian are known for the Kashmir and Peer Panjal, Straps, Permian, Panjal volcanics, Lidar Valley of Kashmir. So this volcanic activity is a very significant part of the larger tectonic and geological history of Himalayas. Extensive Permian volcanic activity. So just remember that when the PT extinction is the most extensive one, that has wiped out almost around 70 to 80% of the terrestrial and marine animals. So it is very dangerous, one of the dangerous extinction we have ever seen. So Peer Panjal types are Panjal volcanics. Just remember that P say P, Permian are Lidar Valley of Kashmir. So they all are the part of the Permian period. There is significant volcanic activity over there. So as far as we have analyzed this question paper, just tell me one thing. On the basis of knowing the age and succession includes the activities that are very interesting to know कि actually हुआ क्या था जो ये succession ऐसे form हुआ. उसके basis पे आप सारे question निकाल सकते हो. There are some cretons. क्रेटोन्स आपने अगर एक्सटेंसिवली पढ़ लिए, उनकी एजेस देख ली, सीक्वेंस देख लिया, हर चीज देख ली, तो स्ट्रेटिग्राफी इज बिट इजीली सॉल्वेबल. जो लोग ऐसे मतलब हवा बनाते हैं कि दिस इज डिफिकल्ट टू नो, ये नहीं होगा, नो, इट्स वेरी इजी टू डू. ओके, जस्ट एनालाइज वन सेकेंड. ग्रेनाइट के बारे में पूछा है, इग्नेस रॉक एक्टिविटी होगी, ऑर्डर एक बार याद कर लिया तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि एरिनपुरा जो है वो यंगेस्ट वाला है, तो उसको वन लिख दीजिए। नाउ वी हैव द लॉ ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, लॉ ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन वहीं लगेगा जहाँ पे कन्फर्मिटी होगी। उसके बाद वी हैव दिस लिथोस्टैटिग्राफिक यूनिट्स मैग्नीज और किस में है, इट्स प्रेजेंट इन सॉसर ग्रुप। ठीक है, reducing environment. This is bit different question. Now we have Buster Keton का sequence हो गया। The one, this question is on sequence। ठीक है, this question is on sequence। Banded acid complex question is on sequence only. Jamar Kota is bit known for, whether you have read thoroughly about them or not. Vanadian glaciation is different. Glaciation के बारे में, extinction के बारे में पूछना वाजिब है, तो वो थोड़ा अलग हो जाएगा। So इसके बाद we have another question, another see Vindhyan subgroup। ठीक है, Vindhyan Creton and this all part of बुंदेलखंड वाला जो क्रेटोन है, उसके ऊपर सवाल है कैमूर से डायरेक्ट कि डायमंड बीरिंग कॉन्ग्लोमरेट एंशिएंट रिवर कौन डिपॉजिट करती थी। नाउ वी हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन ऑन द सक्सेशन, दैट इज यंगेस्ट कौन सा है इसमें, इसमें यंगेस्ट है हमारा दिस कसौली। पंजर वोल्केनिक्स किसका है, परिमन का। सो एज, सक्सेशन एंड सीक्वेंसिंग बेस्ड ऑन द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज दैट हैपन, ये तीन चीजें अगर आपने कुछ एरियाज की जो सिलेबस में लिखी है उसकी पकड़ ली, तो बी एबल टू आंसर देम। बस यू हैव टू रीड थॉरली फ्रॉम द बुक्स। So this is how it's gonna help you. And in the next video, I'll make sure that I cover this other, uh, other options as well, whether the answer is not relatable or not. We'll just study about them a little bit, so it will help you to remind when you go through the videos. Thank you.